Ever wondered what it would be like to dive into a pool of chocolate? To taste the richness, the sweetness, the pure indulgence? Imagine bringing that experience to the comfort of your own kitchen. Today, uncover the secrets to creating the ultimate chocolate everything cake. A cake so rich, so decadent, it promises a chocolate lover's dream in every bite. Begin this journey with the basic but crucial ingredients. Gather 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 2 cups of sugar, a cup of unsalted butter, and 5 large eggs. Also, have a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt at the ready. Start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees. While the oven heats up, grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. This ensures the cake does not stick to the pan and comes out perfectly when baked. Now it's time to melt the chocolate. Break the dark and unsweetened chocolate into pieces and melt them in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Stir until the chocolate melts completely and sets aside to cool. Meanwhile, cream together the sugar and butter in a large bowl until light and fluffy. This process aerates the mixture, giving the cake its light and airy texture. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is incorporated before adding the next. This keeps the mixture smooth and prevents it from curdling. Then sift in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Fold these dry ingredients into the mixture gently, maintaining the airiness of the batter. Finally, pour in the melted chocolate. Stir it in until the batter becomes a luscious, chocolatey blend. Pour this batter into the prepared cake pan and pop it into the oven. Bake for about 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once done, remove from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it onto a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. The ultimate chocolate everything cake. A cake so rich and indulgent, it's like diving into a pool of chocolate. To summarize, the key to this cake lies in the quality of the chocolate and the careful mixing of ingredients. The process begins with melting the chocolate, creaming the butter and sugar, beating in the eggs, and folding in the dry ingredients. Finally, the melted chocolate is stirred in, and the batter is baked to perfection. This cake promises a chocolate lover's dream in every bite. It's rich, it's decadent, and it's absolutely delicious. So, why wait? Dive into this chocolatey experience and let your taste buds rejoice.